Hi there, it's Sandy Lou. I have a review. So I got this from Dollar Tree and I gotta give it a lousy review. Lousy, my mother's favorite word. So these are utility knives, Tool Bench Hardware, which is the brand at Dollar Tree. Now, you use these and there's no control. It's like when you let go, maybe I have to hold on. I don't know. I hate something that has too many restrictions. Yeah, so if you don't hold on to this and you're using it, it will all come out. Annoying and aggravating. So you have to hold it and use it. Not for me. Won't be buying this again.